Good morning, my Faye babes. Today is Tuesday, November the 15th, 2022. And as you can see here in the state of Wisconsin, the snow is coming down. Yeah, it's cold outside, y'all. So I'm up early trying to get the house situated so that I can start preparing myself for work. So I will pick you guys back up most likely a little bit later on today. All right, if you haven't been told, you're loved, you're blessed, you're here. So thank God, and let's keep it pushing. All right, peace. So guys, welcome back. Today is Wednesday, November the 16th, and I had to go in for a neurology appointment. So I'm taking you guys along with. So let's go.
I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah, so lost, where do I go? I was in the chase, caught a flat on road. It was all love, X no O. I was feeling rich, but we turned out broke. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demons take the wheel. Used to think that we be going home. I can't believe that it was real. It was back in Lake City when I did it. I just wish I could forget it. Cause I had much I love it already. How I just gotta catch a feel. Yeah. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Find a way to get it when I do it, I can live it and forget it. Cause I hate how much I love you, or I hate how you just put me in my feelings.
Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be going home. Now I can't believe that it was real. Guess I let my feelings take control. Guess I let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be going home. Now I can't believe that it was real.
Let my feelings take control. Let my demon take the wheel. Used to think that we be going home. I can't believe that it was real. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind.
What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today is Saturday, November the 19th, and I'm in the kitchen cooking, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I'm making. So here we go.
I've been wasting my time. I don't know why I can't get you out my mind. Yeah. So lost, where do I go? I was in the chase, caught a flat on road. It was all.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back. Today is Monday, I believe the 20th. I believe it's the 20th. But I just wanted to come back, and I did get out today and ran into Target and picked up a couple things, so I wanted to share that with you. And also I received something, a package in the mail, so I wanted to open that as well with you guys. So I will pull you back up in a moment. All right, peace and blessings.
Bang.
So guys, from Target, I picked up this burnt orange, like pullover shirt. It's a size small. I did get that. And it's originally at $12, but it was $2 off. So I got that for $10. And I picked up another shirt, just a cream color, similar style with the rib. And it was on sale for $6. And then I wanted to get this Days Until Christmas Countdown. So I wanted to get this. And it was right there in the front where they have the little items, mainly for $5 a piece. So this was $5. And then we just needed another power strip. So I picked this up. And this was also $5. Okay, and from Amazon, I just picked up this pack of press-on nails here. I can't remember what the price was, but I wanted to give those a try. And then I suffer with inflammation, so I heard the cat's claw is good for that. So I'm going to be giving this herbal tea a try, so hopefully it'll help me with that, getting rid of the inflammation that's in my body. Also from Amazon, I just picked up a bottle of rubbing alcohol. I try to keep that on hand at all times. So, yep, got that too. Okay, guys, and lastly, this package here actually came from eBay. I ordered this. I actually tried to get it off the Zara site, but they were sold out, so I was able to pick it up on eBay. So I'm excited about that. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog out here. It's carried it over for about 4 or 5 days. So I thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace and blessings.